Alright guys, just here on 3rd Street in Phuket, Patong, outside the Banzan food market. Not a bad feed there, quite nice, very nice. Also the Bangla Boxing Stadium, which is just there. Might go and have a look at that tomorrow night, never been before, so that'll be interesting. Let's go for a walk and see what we can find tonight. Heading around Phuket, probably go up Soi Sansabai, head over to Bangla perhaps. Who knows where we'll end up? Who bloody knows? Lots of people around at the moment. Mid-March, late March at the moment, so coming to the end of high season. There's been quite a few people here. I mean, it's always busy, Patong, Phuket, but I'd say it's definitely up on previous visits in regards to people coming. Tourists coming. Cool little bars down there. Get all your fresh fruit and veggies. You can also get your feet scrubbed by those fishies. I've done that before, but don't know. Not for me. Who's mad bastard getting that shit done? Feels funny. Tuk-tuks everywhere. People getting ready to drive around and go out to places. Never seen anyone in this joint. Beer and Garden Pool Club. Pretty big, but it's empty. Soi Sansabai, here we go. This is a pretty busy place. Okay, walking down Soi Sansabai. Busy walk-through street, cuts up. The other end cuts up to 2nd Road and Bangla Road, basically, opposite Bangla. So that's a busy cut through. Everyone comes through here to get the Bangla. Odi restaurants, very empty. No one in there. Everyone's still probably out at dinner now, I would say. Heaps of restaurants, Thai massage joints. It's the usual stuff. It's usually a pretty busy street because heaps of people walk through here. And that's another thing also, be careful. Walk to the sides of this road, mate, because bikes, cars, everything come flying through here. And you will get run over for sure. Bit of kebab, Nora, smash burger. lot of cuts, a few people in there getting some pretty cool haircuts. Ashami, the best kebab. Massage joints on the right everywhere. Can't really show you them. Because they'll probably attack me, mate, I would say. Heaps of barber shops here, actually. Another one, a Bood Barber. See what I mean about a busy thoroughfare? Right, people walking through everywhere. about halfway down the street. You can see the Bangla lights in the background there. Old Party Street, Bangla. My goodness, very busy. Oh, some sweet corn. Fresh. It smells good. Smells beautiful. Bit of Thai boxing on the TV screen up there. Heaps more shisha. Tuk-tuk coming through. Heaps of massage joints. Prime burger. Doesn't look too busy. Over there. Boom burgers. There's heaps of burger joints and souvlaki joints along here. Hairdressers. And that's about it really, and massage joints. I suppose that's probably all there is, I would say. And another barber shop, offside barber shop. Had some beers here the other night, I think. Was it here? No, it wasn't this one, but it looks pretty cool. Oh, hi, Andaman. Oh. Now it's getting busy. That's right, we're sitting out the front here having beers. This massage joint was packed, man. People going in and out non-stop. Must be a good one. Sansabai Massage and Spa. They're all drinking here. It was good, just sitting there watching the world go by, having a few Leos. It was fantastic. Cup. No, thank you, cup and cup. Pizzeria Hut, number 1. Looks nice. Bombay kitchen over there. Arabic food. Heaps more souvlaki joints. On the left there, heaps of them. Shawarma. There we go, people. There's Bangla over there. Alright, should we go have a look? I think we should.